Welcome to PGT Trucking's Blairsville Terminal and Driver Training Facility. Located about an hour northeast of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, this property is PGT's main terminal location and boasts a maintenance facility, driver's lounge, ample truck parking, operations offices, and our driver training and orientation center. PGT Blairsville opened its doors in 2017, providing a strategic base for PGT drivers in central Pennsylvania. With direct access to State Route 22, this location is near some of PGT's largest steel and building material customers, providing plenty of freight and regional load opportunities for our drivers. Here in Blairsville, our drivers have access to full truck and trailer maintenance services run by Penske Truck Leasing, making it easy to get preventive maintenance, technical support, replacement parts and tires, and more. Our goal is to provide fast and effective service, keeping our drivers up and running. While you're here, stop in and relax at our driver's lounge, equipped with restrooms, shower facilities, vending machines, and more. Or take advantage of additional amenities in the driver training center. Members of PGT's operations, safety, and training staff are on site as well, giving drivers an opportunity to meet face-to-face with their support personnel whenever they stop by the Blairsville terminal. PGT Blairsville is also home to our official driver training and orientation center. Whether you are new to trucking or a seasoned over-the-road veteran, all PGT professional drivers get their start in Blairsville. During your training and orientation, you will learn about PGT's operational and safety standards, cargo securement, and advanced driver training as you prepare to seat in your new truck. Nearby lodging and shuttles are provided for our drivers during orientation, and our staff will make sure you feel at home. We'd love to have you join our team. Come visit us in Blairsville. We are PGT.